Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're trying to run Valorant and you're coming across an error message saying that Valorant has a DirectX Runtime error and that the following components are required to run the program. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward process here, guys, on how to go about resolving this error. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. And we are going to start off by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but for today's tutorial, I'm going to go open up Google Chrome. And into Chrome, just go ahead and search up DirectX Runtime Download and search for it. We want to get it directly from Microsoft here, so go ahead and select the Microsoft web page link. Select the correct language here, and then select the corresponding download button. The installer should not take very long to download, and go ahead and select yes if you receive the user account control prompt. You want to accept the agreement and then select next. I'm going to uncheck the option for the Bing bar, then I'm going to select next again. Give it a moment here to begin. And then select next. Okay, so it says installation complete. The components installed are now ready for use. Select finish. Now I'd recommend closing out of any open programs and applications and go ahead and restart your system. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.